World War II-era bomb was unearthed at Ibudo Pakhangba complex located at Langthabal Kunjalaikai, Imphal West today. LAMSHANG Bajar Primary School, which was damaged by the recent cyclonic storm, has been repaired with the financial assistance and other helps extended by Education, Sports and Cultural Organization, ISACO and several other individuals. In view of the marked improvement in the law and order situation and requests from the members of the public organizations, the Hailakandi District Administration has decided to lift curfew imposed in Hailakandi Sada police station areas from 6 this morning. The Nagaland Gao Burha Federation has appealed to the international organizations to intervene immediately and stop further alleged human rights violation in the name of military operation against NSC and Kablang in the Naga areas of Myanmar. Authorities in coastal areas of Kerala have put on high alert after an intelligence report said 15 Islamic State terrorists had set off from Sri Lanka for the Lakshadweep Islands on boats. Coastal police stations and police chiefs have been alerted about suspicious vessels. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressing new elected members of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance for the first time today since his massive national election victory said minorities have been cheated by the opposition and that it must be stopped immediately. We have worked for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Now, Sabka Bishwas is our mantra, the Prime Minister said. US President Donald Trump reiterated his confidence in North Korean leader Kim Jong-un despite Pyongyang launching missile tests earlier this month. From an official visit to Japan, Trump tweeted, "North Korea fired off some small weapons which disturbed some of my people and others, but not me."